What's up, travelers? It's Johanna with Echoing Magic Travel. I am so excited to show you guys some of my favorite things to take with me on an airport travel day. It is so easy to get overwhelmed on an airport travel day. You're trying to make your flight. Are there connections? Does something get delayed? All the different things that you have no control over. So some things that I have found over the years that just decrease the stress for me on a travel day when I have these with me. And I'm sure I will continue to add more things. I will put all the links for these in the description below. I got all of these on Amazon, and spoiler alert, some of these would make great stocking stuffers with the holidays coming up. So just keep that in the back of your mind. Real quick though, before I start showing you, if you haven't yet, hit like, subscribe, ring the notification bell so you don't miss any more of our content that's coming up. I don't know about you guys, but I am completely in the holiday mode, and some of these have been stocking stuffers in the past for myself or from other people that have just made my travel days at the airport so much less stressful. This one is probably my ultimate favorite. Now, I don't just take this on the when I'm in the airport. I also have this in my purse at all times. It's a travel pill caddy, and it has all kinds of different compartments for you to put ibuprofen, motion sickness medication, Aleve, anything you might need on a travel day. This is an absolute lifesaver. I love it. Don't go anywhere without it. This one's more of a generic. I love my JBL earbuds, but regardless of what brand you'd like to have, make sure you have a good set of earbuds. Make sure the case is charged up the night before you leave. Make sure anything that needs to be charged up is charged up the night before you leave. Another set of earbuds that I haven't bought yet, but I'm planning on, is many times when you're traveling and there's a screen where you have to plug in the headphones, it can be really annoying to all of a sudden go back to wires. I mean, we are living in a world of wireless everything, and yet we get on an airplane, we have to use the old style wired in earbuds. There are earbuds that you can buy that have a Bluetooth connector. So you plug the Bluetooth connector into the jack, and then the earbuds connect. That way, if somebody needs to walk past you to go to the bathroom or something, you don't have to disconnect or, move the cords out of the way, which is awesome. This one's great. It is a weight, like a scale for your suitcase, which is why I brought my suitcase out to show you guys. It's great for your return trip. A lot of us have bathroom scales and stuff that we've used for weighing our bags, so we don't have a surprise when we get to the airport and our bag's overweight and we get charged with a fee. But on the way back, with all your souvenirs and things of that nature, this is great. You literally just put it right through your handle, hook it back on, and lift it up, and it'll show you the weight right on the handle there. And I always take it with me. It's amazing. I think my dad found that first, and I was just like, I have to have one. That's awesome. Next thing is, again, kind of more a generic idea, but I will put the link for the one that I have in the description. Consider a wallet with an AirTag holder. AirTags have their limits, but they are a great option for just that extra measure of, where's my stuff? Did I set it down? Did I leave it in the bathroom? And you can retrace your steps and go looking for your stuff, especially if you're somewhere that you're not familiar with. So this wallet I love because it has a spot to throw an AirTag in there. My bag right here, which I will show you in a minute, my new carry-on bag, also has a connection spot where I bought a keychain that also holds an AirTag. So that way I have one in there as well. This is a bigger size of something I've seen going around a lot, which is, it looks like a bathroom bag, like a little bathroom carry thing, but it's actually for all your different cords. I got the bigger one because I travel with a MacBook and a mouse, and I hate using a trackpad, so I always use my mouse. And this one is big enough to fit my MacBook charger and my mouse and everything, but it's also got tons of little spots to put other cords, wires, everything like that. It has a zipper in the front for that one that you're going to use all the time. There are smaller ones if you don't need this big of one for that many cords, but it's just great because how many times you open your backpack on the plane or in the airport and you're just pulling out the spaghetti of the cords. It just makes it so much easier having that. These are two of the same type of thing. This is the first one I got, and then I upgraded to this one. So when you're in the airport or on the plane for your tray table or on your suitcase, and you want to have a spot to clip and then hold your phone. So this one holds your phone this way. So if you don't have a magnet, this one's great. This is the first one I got. But I do have a magnet ring, and I found one that has a magnet ring. So now, if I want to watch something on my phone or have my phone out in front of me when I'm on the plane, just clip this to the tray table. Magnet right there, easy to go. So again, a lot of these guys are very inexpensive, great stocking stuffers. They're small, compact, and they just make travel days so much easier. Then this is my new backpack that I just got for our next holiday travel. I am in love with it. It has all kinds of pockets. None of this is product placement, guys. These are just things that I have found that are helpful for me and might give you some ideas to go looking for some different things that might work for you. This one has tons of great pockets. It does have cup holders on the side. This side also has an attachment point right in here. It's kind of hard to see, but there's an attachment USB point right here because you can, there's a cord through the bag that you can plug a power bank to, which is great. This one's awesome. It has a nice sturdy top to it. It feels like really good quality. It's water resistant, spot for a laptop, spot for an iPad. And this one's great because, let me get up here for you. It can open up very wide for you to stack things in the bottom. Now, I'm not a one bag traveler as far as like even for weekends. I prefer to check a bag. But if you're the type of person who loves to just have your carry-on and have everything you need for your trip in there, something like this would be a great option. I know they have some bigger sizes of these bags as well if you're looking for something of that nature. But regardless of what specific things you find for your travel days, I would just encourage everyone who's traveling through the holidays, find little small ways ahead of time to plan for your travel days that are just going to diminish all those little extra stressors that build up and potentially take away from the joy that this time of year with family and friends is supposed to bring us, and why we invest in the time, money, and energy to travel and see our friends and family who live far away. I wish you guys the best holiday season. Have a great Thanksgiving, and may the magic be with you, travelers. I will see you next time.